Good afternoon, class. My name is Gene Junior Lusme. Uh, the topic for my demonstration speech this afternoon is how to create a strong password. Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that someone has logged into your email account, your social media account, and or your bank account. And this happens to millions of people every year. And one of the most common reason is the use of weak passwords. And I think how to create a strong and a secure password to is very important because we use password for everything. We use it for our school account, for our bank account. We use it for our emails. We use it for a lot of things. And the strong passwords help protect your identity, your money, and your personal information. So to demonstrate how to create a strong password, we will go through three steps. The first steps we will go through is how to choose a strong base of words or phrase, and we can call it combination words. And this is the first step. The second step we're gonna go to is to add a number or a symbol to it. When you add a number or a symbol to it, this is how you strengthen your password. You make it more complex. And the third step, it's something I will have to turn the camera later on to show you how to do the third step, which is how to test you and manage your passwords. Now let's stay on the first steps. And the first steps, you can have a piece of paper with you and grab a pen. You're gonna have to write down your strong base of words. The strong base of words, make sure it's hard for anybody to guess. So you can't use, for example, January. You can't use your name and put 1, 2, 3 behind it. Usually, you use a strong base of word. It could be like a combination of words. For example, mine here, I have a strong base of word. I have blue sky river. So my strong base of word, blue sky river, it's a combination of word. I have three words to start the password to make my base words, my strong base of words. And I'm gonna give you a little bit of time to do the same thing. And the second thing we have to do after you write down your strong base of word, you're gonna have to add a number of symbol to make it more complex. I'm gonna show you again. In my notebook, I have blue sky river. Then I add the symbol exclamation point and the number 92 at the end of it. Now that makes it more complex. You following? This is what I do. This is the strong base of word, and I add the symbol and the number at the end of it. Now, to test my password, I'm gonna have to show you how I do it in the computer. So, how to show it to you? I start creating an account for Home Depot. Let me go to Home Depot. Turn the camera right now. This is the account that I start creating, with Home Depot. As you can see in the account, it looks there's a green line. The green line is a strength excellent. Strength excellent. So what does that tell you? That tells you this software Home Depot used to, to save account for customers. When they test my password, the system indicate that my password is strong. So what is my password? I use the strong base of word that I show you in my notebook earlier. Blue sky river, and then the exclamation point, which is the second step that I went through with you earlier, and then the number 92. So, which is make it complex for anybody, any hacker to guess. So the password, and then if you go down now, the system tests it. It tells me, oh, strength excellent, and password content for this software. The requirement is 9 characters, but I actually think it's way more than 9. And then if you go down I use the uppercase letter and the blue and the sky, and I use a number, and the rest is lowercase, and then special character, which is a symbol here. So this is how you test your password. And a lot of people create the password. If you're creating your password right now, you can go and any email to create your password. You will be able to test it. The system will test it for you and let you know if your password is good. If it's not good, you will know. Now, what we went through 3 steps. I will review the 3 steps for you to create your password. The first thing, which is a strong base phrase. The second one, we add a number and a symbol to our password, which make it complex for anybody to guess. And the third one, when we type it in the computer, the system reads, if the system tells us if the password is strong, if it's weak, and it give us indication if we have to work on our password, we do go ahead and make certain arrangement. So I think cybersecurity begins with small habits. So us as a individual, we got to take those small steps, extra second in life, to create a strong, secure password, which can prevent serious problems and help us protect our digital life asset. And thank you. Have a wonderful day.